Used by BESCO include mechanical presses, hydraulic presses, bending machines, shears, blasting high-precision open-type pneumatic punch presses, BLC high-precision dual-axis pneumatic punch presses, M-series high-precision frame pneumatic punch presses, etc. Our factory has more than 60 high-quality assembly workers, strictly in accordance with production process flow of press production. From the 3D drawing and simulation demonstration of the technical department, to the production workshop processing, to the assembly workshop assembly, and the final inspection of the quality inspection personnel. Each layer implements the highest production standards and strict inspection at each level. The final machine tool with high precision, stable operation, low noise, and low failure rate is our commitment to customers. In order to further improve the intensity and depth of technical services, we truly achieve tailor-made for our customers. BESCO Machine Tool Limited grasps the pulse of the times and independently develops a variety of automated and customized production lines, including hardware hinges, junction boxes, filters, rope tighteners, washers, aluminum foil lunch boxes, auto parts, white goods accessories, and other automated production lines. At present, our company has 18 high-quality R&D personnel. With advanced technical concepts and years of practical experience, we have always led the development of the industry in automated feeding, mold R&D and manufacturing, and waste material processing. In terms of automated connection, BESCO has huge technical advantages. Revitalization originated from pioneering and enterprising and promoted overseas. BESCO Machine Tool Limited has created a vast world in the machine tool industry with leading technology and high-quality service. In the future, we will pay more attention to the research and development and production of automatic feeding equipment, make the servo feeding system, material identification system, and manipulator more widely used, and provide more practical unmanned workshop solutions for domestic and foreign customers. BESCO Machine Tool Limited is based in the motherland, relying on continuous innovation technology and high-quality service, has already spread overseas. We win high praise from customers in Europe, Middle East, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South America, and other countries, and pass the European Union CE test and get CE certification. BESCO Machine Tool Limited will be one of the representatives of the national brand and will continue to make new leaps, writing a new chapter in the history of the world's machine tools.